Minions, are you ready? Chainsaw Man, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, Minions. Out of the looking much better today. Definitely having greater mobility. Chainsaw Man still a little bit on the sluggish side. Oh, but it pops out one balloon. So there's a point for Chainsaw Man.
Figured out the problem. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Need something sharp on them.
No real good way to pop him off. Come on, Minions. She's baiting you. Giving you an opportunity to come here. Take my balloons.
That is not what that has ever been.
Minions, unable to even get around to the balloons. Chainsaw Man is really struggling on its movement. I'm going to have to start the countdown. And oh, they engaged. Oh, we got movement, slow movement. Oh, get up, Chainsaw Man. They gave him the balloon to you. Hey, there you go. Chainsaw Man got one. His Minions backed up right into him. I think Minions need to work on their driving now that they finally got motion. Chainsaw Man. Can we see any movement? Is that about all you can do? I'm gonna have to count you down. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knockout for the Minions!